What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys seen the video yesterday where we got the hog, and here it is live in the flesh, man. The cranberry thing is looking good and clean, man. I'm loving the color on this bike. Can't wait to see what this thing rides like. We already know it sounds good and lovely and all that already, so we're gonna pull it out here in the sun today, see what it's looking like. My boy Dre is gonna be pulling up. Don't know if we'll get him on this video or not, but he definitely is pulling up today, so we'll be able to get a ride in or something, man. Judging this thing is all good and checked out, so let's pull this thing out in the sun, see how it's looking here, and possibly get a first ride in, man, at least around the complex or something, man. Let's see and check it out, dog. Y'all know it's sunny. She ain't waste no time. Pull in the garage. Alrighty. This thing is looking just as good in the sun as it was looking yesterday in the garage, if not way better. That chrome is hitting. Everything on this bike seems really, really clean. So I'm digging that. You just see these bags up close. I like how the latches is color matched. Really dope looking bike. I want to get this thing started up and at least get it ridden around and see what's up. We actually got up pretty early this morning and was messing with the shifter. So we got that thing. I mean, it's still like that, but we got it up to the point where it's not, where we'll be able to shift it. So we'll see if that'll be able to shift. But other than that, that was pretty much all that was wrong with it, other than the fairing, of course, but no big deal. No big deal, man. I want to see what this thing compares like to my the Road Glide, man. I'm gonna pull that thing out in the sun and see what the color difference is. All right, now that we got this one pulled out, man, we can see if that battery's still juiced up or not. Get that cold start. Okay, still got some juice. Music and everything. Don't touch it. Okay, I can dig it. I can dig it. I'm gonna see if that shifter works. I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all set up on the cam real quick. That thing sounds loud as heck. That thing sounds super loud. And what's up? You like the motorcycle? You like it? What color is that? Orange? It look orange? It kind of do look orange. But it's red. Red. Or cranberry. Say cranberry. Say cranberry. Cranberry. Feel out here, man. Shut it up, man. Let's get it going. Yeah, this thing sounds really good. The only thing I can think so far is just adjusting this back one. Pull that one down a little bit and we'll be good to go. Other than that, it seems like it runs and rides pretty good. So we'll see. It's hot, mama. Don't touch it. But we'll see. I think I'm going to pull this Road Glide out and see what the colors look like compared to each other real quick. All right, so you guys can see it right off the back. This one is definitely more reddish. That one's definitely more reddish. This one's more like an orange. But, oh man, I pulled this one out. This one can't even get no love. Oh my God, I love the Road Glide so much. That's the whole thing about it. But this one does look really good and it sounds amazing. Them Vance and Hines is it's a beast. I'm digging it. What y'all think, man? Which one y'all like? The cranberry color or the Road Glide? So y'all want to know why I like the Road Glide so much? You guys want to know why I like the Road Glide so much? This is why right here. So if y'all see the Road Glide here, it moves like so. The fairing stays still, only the handlebars move. In this Road Glide, the fairing does not move, which makes the ride a whole lot better. Like when you're riding through wind, I'll show you guys firsthand. When you're riding through wind, you see this has no opening. The fairing and everything moves with the handlebars. So when you get hit with some wind on this, it operates the whole handlebars, has it like shaking type. So it's like you're trying to control that shake. As for the Road Glide, it's the handlebar is not even connected to the fairing. So this one is definitely the bike you want for like freeway riding, like road riding, highway, however you want to call it, long distance rather. Also a way more comfortable bike, but the bat wing is always original, and I just love this bike. When you put your touches on it, man, it does look really good. Either one will do for me, but if you gave me a choice to pick, I would definitely be choosing this Road Glide. Doesn't matter if it was this one or another one. I would definitely pick the Road Glide over the Batwing. Main reason because the handling. But other than that, this is a great bike too. So just depends on what you want to go for. So we ain't had a cold start in this thing in a while, man. Let's hear how it sounded. Turn that music down first. Sound like a little rumble in the jungle. That one is still louder than this one. This the slip-ons on this one make quiet this bike down a whole lot. But if we had some more open pipes like that one or some D&Ds, this thing will be freaking sounding crazy. We can probably get a little sound comparison real quick. Hey, go sit down. Which one y'all like better, man? Let's see. This one is definitely louder. God damn. Now, as much as I want to go for a ride on this thing, you guys see, well, I can't go for a ride right now. But we're going to get something in later on when we get back. Man, that chrome is hitting, dog. That thing is shut up. I'm digging it. And the music sound good on this one. Sounds really good. Get that color freaking matched inner fairing. New outer fairing. I think it'll be good to go. But this one is looking nice. So, man, I think I'm about to pause it for a little bit, because I can't even get nothing done, to be honest with you. So we're gonna see. Then I did reorganize that because, you know, I feel like we're gonna pull out the Road Glide today. We got this second little shifter adjusted, so now that one is good to go. Other than that, man, this thing is pretty decent. I would say a wash, but this thing is faded either way, so it really don't matter. But we're gonna slide this Joan when I get back. Well, when she get back and get the babysitter. Now we do got the, look, let me show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all something. Now we do have these quick release latches back here. I want to see if the tour pack we got fits on this thing or not, man. Let's see if it fits real quick. Now this is what I should have sat out in the rain yesterday to get cleaned up. That freaking tour pack is dirty, but it fit on there, man. It looked like a little pizza delivery box. Get it? It looked like a little pizza delivery box or something. Y'all know I don't care for the tour packs, but I guess it looked cool on that joint. Guess it looked pretty cool. Got the fresh cushion foam and all that. I'm digging it. That would be dope. I wouldn't mind seeing what's up with this tour pack, man. I don't know. I know a lot of people was wanting it, so we'll see. Wow, man, this thing looks crazy. 3 hogs in my freaking garage. This looks so wild. Can't wait till that other paint set get done so we can see what it look like. But man, we threw the tour pack on that road glide. It might grow on me. You never know. It might grow on me. I didn't clean it up though, so we'll see how we like it if we go riding or whatever the case may be. Hey, what you doing? You was doing something you wasn't supposed to be doing, huh? But yeah, man, I'm gonna wait till later to get that ride in, man. So we just gonna pause this real quick and I'll catch y'all when I come back out. Alrighty, we done took our little intermission, man. Changed up, got some little warm clothes on, man. It's time to go take this thing for a first ride and really see how it goes and hits these gears, man. We gotta check it out, pull it out real quick and get it going, dog. Let's go ahead and waste no time and get that thing on the road. Let's see how this thing slides. We only got maybe 65 miles. So, we'll see. Woo, it sounds good. It sounds real good. Quick. man, that was a freaking fun little ride. I love the pipes on this thing. This thing sounds literally amazing. Rides great, needs nothing. Shifts amazing. Brakes are good. Everything is good on this bike. Literally just need that everything regular built by Dre special to hit this joint, man. So we're gonna put a 21-inch a wraparound on it, get the new fairing switched out, get the inner fairing color matched, get this thing looking better than it already is. It's already sounding amazing, riding amazing, so we got to get this thing looking amazing, man. So I'm gonna wait for my dog Dre to pull up. Hopefully we can get some riding content before we head back to the city. But as for me, I know this thing is running and riding great, and I'm loving it, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, because that was a really, really fun ride. And I'm loving the pipes, man. I got to get some more slip-ons for my joint back there, man. So we gonna see what's up with this, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, though. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the red bike pulled out. We matched it up with the Road Glide. We compared the two. The Road Glide is definitely a lot more of a sunburst color, which is really nice. I like that orangish reddish back there. This one is more so of a cranberry color. Also an amazing color. I love that, man. This thing is going to be going up for raffle pretty soon, man. So be sure to stay tuned for when we go live with that thing. It should be any day now. Just getting some parts and stuff ready for that. But about to swap spots with the Road Glide. Put a Road Glide out for today, man. Go slide a little bit. Get some cruising in, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We almost at 30K subscribers, man. So help your boy out. Support me. I support you. I appreciate that, man. Let's get it in. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.